what I do in this scenario is I will light the wide shot with as soft a light as I can. Now, I don't try to light it harder and then when I go in for close-ups, make it softer. I try to make it as soft as possible, but still having really nice contrast. That way we can quickly go in for the coverage and just bring in a little diffusion frame or bring the light in a little closer. So normally, if let's say this is a DMG Maxi. Let's take a journey with me, Alec. I need a little light over here.
Here it comes.
I'll spin it around. So this is 3 individual DMG Maxis, and we put 3 of them together. And it's kind of like a, almost like a Sky Panel S360. What makes this light so good is its skin tones. It loves skin. It just makes it look so beautiful. The color tone is excellent. So I've really gravitated more towards the DMG line than I have the Sky Panel line. And I've been, my last series, I was using these every day. Okay, so let's spin it around. And what we've created here is Depron. So Depron is once again a 3 millimeter, okay, 3 millimeter piece of foam. And we're firing the light through that foam once again. So I would light the scene with the Maxi without this dome on there, and I'd already have one of these ready to go, and then I'll swoop in for the close-up and bring this light super close and wait till you see the light quality. All right, so let's do it. Let's go ahead and bring this in. We'll have Kira come back on her mark. I got the nice 135. Here we come.
Somebody make sure he's
pushing in. Keep on coming.
We're at 2%, Shane.
We're at 2%. Okay, great. Okay, nice. And go ahead and what's your, go to like 2,400 on that if you can.
2,400. There's 24.
Sorry, 28.
Copy 28. There's 28.
Okay, great. All right. So that's a direct side light. So now we have the Depron, and we've created what I call the Depron dome. You can see the sides of it. We've taken all of this, and now it fires into the Depron, bounces all around inside, and creates this super soft light. Let's bring it a little around like this. Okay. Nice. All right. Now, that's at 2%.
Yep.
This is a great light to use for your close-ups. You light your big wides, then you're able to come in and have this all on the ready and be able to make this, look at the light quality and the reflection in her eye. You're seeing that whole source. It just looks so good. Welcome to our light quality laboratory, and I have my amazing gaffer, Tom, and we are going to dive into so many different light qualities, it's going to blow your mind. What if we took spot globes that have a 20-degree spot on them and put them in a line, and there's absolutely no multiple shadows? It becomes one source. All right, let's kill the xenon. Let's get the bead board out. And now we're gonna take foam to the next level. We've taken all of this and now it fires into the Depron, bounces all around inside, and creates this super soft light. Let's just wreck it so everyone can understand what's going on. Yeah, look at that. That light quality is absolutely amazing.